What the fuck is...
Can you notice me?
Napanood ko yung ano mo! Yung lovers mo.
Can you notice me? You're very famous.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Okay, can you just notice me? Just...
Yes, I can notice.
Can you say hi?
Hi! What the fuck? What the heck? Seryoso ba yan?
Seryoso itong tripod na to.
Oo nga eh.
Very eco-friendly na custom-made.
Sponsor ba yung Minute Maid?
Minute Maid. Ay, hindi yan sponsor. Naalis yung ganun. Thank you for noticing me. Very awesome. Huwag ka mag-alala, character ko lang yun.
Triumphant once again, we coming to win. What's up sa inyo mga unggoy? So thank you guys for watching our videos dito sa Gplana Squad, and I hope na supportahan nyo palagi kami. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell para always updated kayo sa every new videos namin. And don't forget to click here our channel, and ito yung mga bagong videos namin, mga latest, and I hope na panoorin nyo guys, and stay at home lang kayo palagi guys. So keep safe everyone. Unggoy Ralph signing out. Peace out. Delete!